How to set up automatic investments on Vanguard. If you want to set up automatic investments on Vanguard, you launch the Vanguard app or you go to Vanguard's Australia's website and you have to log into your account. So tap the login button over there, then enter your username and password and simply tap the login button to log in. After you do that, just navigate to the auto invest option on the dashboard or within the navigation menu. Then you can add your investment products. So you can choose the funds and EFTs or ETFs you wish to include in your auto invest plan, and you can add multiple products. You can also specify the investment amount, which is a minimum, which must at least be $200 per auto invest cycle. You can set the frequency and start date like fortnightly, monthly or quarterly, and select a start date. And finally, before finalizing, review the details of your auto invest plan, including the products, amounts, frequency and start date. And once done, you will have automatically transfer money to your Vanguard account, and you can link your bank account to your Vanguard account as well. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next one.